Okay, first of all, I will never buy AirPods for Android because it makes no sense whatsoever. But since I have them, so I'm pretty sure y'all know what AirPods are. And I'm also pretty sure that y'all know what they do and how they sound like. So this video is not a review on AirPods. Rather, it's a video on how good are AirPods without an Apple device. Okay, so let's clear some things up. First off, opening the case does pair with Bluetooth almost instantly. So yes, you won't get a pop-up like an Apple device, but you can get an app for that. And yes, you will need to press the button on the back to pair it up with the Android device first, but other than that, it's really no different than an Apple device. It's only the initial pairing. Secondly, if you put one side into the case, it will keep playing on the other ear, so there is no need to have both out at the same time. Fourthly, when you take out one side of your ear, it will not pause automatically like if it was an iPhone, because it does not have in-ear detection out of the box. Unless you install the app like I mentioned before, it will have in-ear detection and it does work exactly like an iPhone. So yeah, you still have the in-ear detection feature. Fifthly, the double tap controls for each ear will work. It will work, but you first need to set them up on an iPhone. So yeah, you do need an Apple device. Oh, and Siri doesn't work on an Android device. Actually, wait, when does Siri ever work? The Google Assistant, however, will work, but you have to have another app for that. Why is there so many apps for this? Oh, and the last and most important feature of the AirPods.
Okay, good take.
What? You still can flex them. Okay, so now that that's cleared up, is it good with an Android device? Yes, it is. Is it worth it? Not really. You see, AirPods were made for Apple devices, and yeah, that's pretty obvious, but seamless functions like immediate music playing when you put it first into your ear will not work on an Android device. Yes, I know not all of us can afford the steep price of the iPhones, and some of us just don't like using them. But it was not made for Android, so don't expect AirPods to work so well as if it was an Apple device. There are many alternatives for wireless earpieces, truly wireless earpieces for Android, like the Zolos from Anker. They're definitely cheaper, not that much cheaper, but they are cheaper. They work the same, they also have instant pairing, but as what my friend had said, they are not as intuitive as AirPods. The way Apple made AirPods feels so human. Unlike other brands, it just doesn't feel the same. Just look at how you open these compared to the AirPods. Just look at how you hold the Zolos compared to AirPods. They don't feel like they were thought through. And also, Apple has really good build quality, you know, that's a given. See, comparing AirPods to the Zolos, if you put back the AirPods into the case, it felt like nothing basically. You just drop it into the case. But for the Zolos, you might need to wiggle it a bit to get it to charge, which, I don't know, Apple devices just feel like they were thought through. So am I saying to go and buy AirPods for Android? Maybe. Oh yeah, one thing you can do with these as an Android user, you can go up to iPhone users and flick them open to trigger the Not Your AirPods feature. Not your AirPods, bro, you're poor! What? So if you can't afford them, they're actually really nice to use. The soundproofing on AirPods actually really suck, but the bass is really strong and I really like that. Well, if you can't afford AirPods, there are really many alternatives to AirPods, like the Zolos. The Zolos are, you know, expensive, but they are really good. Okay, hopefully this review helped you if you were on the fence on buying AirPods for your Android phone. Thank you so much for watching this short video. Like this video if you liked it, dislike it if you hate AirPod users. Comment down below what you really think about AirPods, and I'll see y'all in another video.